Hello future tech leaders, I'm Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
In January Builder. Today we want to familiar with one section, that is a section for file drops with January Builder. That is floor of words, floor of words. Click on if you go to setup section. If you go to setup section, to go to setup and in administration there is options will come to here. One option is not displaying to us because it has been through administration. It has been for us. But if it is a full admin authority, then there will be options will come. And you can configure enter FTP, host and user for everything you can set up. But here already setup done for us. That is the reason. If we use this FTP credential, use it. We want to use it whenever we are using the how. Yes, I was not able to hear you. No. Yes, there was some background noise. Some background noise. It's not from the German. Is someone speaking? Yes. And I'm not able to hear you. Now go to Pi here. Now you can. What to use your name? I'm facing on challenges. If it's a not all, then show it. We There is an export section. We can export. We can import both. We can do the first of all. We want to do a import here. Go to import. That's 3 primary section on the export. What is the import and on the trigger automation. If it is a suppose it is coming from, it is access API from others, any location. Different source. Suppose it is a in through. Different source and API. It will access API and that will be bring the file to here. First of all, we familiar with it, import. In the post section, I have created on. Hold on. And here, suppose I am deleting it. It is a one folder. I have created import section. I have created a folder here. How you created? How you created that folder? It is very simple. You can click here. In this section, you can write this and create a new file option. You can create a new file. Create new file. Create new file. You can just create a new file. Here you can create a file with your name. Then what will you? We are going to from our export import. You can export student export Ex What are the fields here? Student ID, student name, or export. Just a minute. Clear the code. It does not have any record. What is our expectation? Our expectation is we will do the file drop and then that data will be come to this data extension through automation. Let us try if it is work, and then it will be a part of the journey builder. That is our plan. You have to go to automation. Automation. You can create you can create a folder. You can create new. Now this is a folder. I am new automation. New automation. Let's create a C rule first. Configure. Let's see, it is a 1st March. 1st March. Let's select it. Time. Now we have to create the folder. Same automation. Next, I want to do file drop. Import file. Import file. Create new input. Create a new input. Filing. DB enter. Here we need to file location. Where is the file location? My import location. No, this is file location. My location. I think it's towards the end, my location. No, we can. Only these are the showing here. We can go to. These are the files. Now this is the file wonder. I am expecting import will be here. Import, all import files are showing here. Now it go to here. It's facing problem not connected to any server. Now import. Now this is the location. Import next, import here. You can new automation. Here we can go to import file. Here create new import automation. Here import, it's going to send notification event. Name, I look at it, click on it. It had been issued, my import login stabilized. Next, here I am giving a piloting pattern. This is a picture file. Not the same difference. This error is coming, click next. Map by header. Now map by ordinary map by manually. We'll keep the map manually. A required columns needed for this file, inputting the student city. Click next, click finish. Student data import created successfully. File need contract import. File on activities. Now click on save. Now active it. Up to these steps, we have done. Next, we can check it whether it's working or not. But we have set the timing of 19:30 p.m. Before that, we do not have option. Edit option is there 11 p.m. Edit. Workflow will be pause the schedule. Anyway, we can keep it and open. We have created a file drop automation. Is it clear to everybody? Yes, I'm clear. Now we want to keep it. To be clear, create new journey. You can multi-step journey. You can type, this is the instrument. What is the time we have the moment we will do the file drop, then it will come to here on. And next data extension, cut down schedule for permission. You can drag and drop. At present, there is a no records is there. We can evaluate it. Your journey will be ready, but your data extension does not have any record. The moment it will be file drop, data will come to a data extension and through automation, and from that journey will also work. Activate. Next, what we can do file drop. In file drop here, it is a nothing is there. Now you have to go in there. Desktop. 1 minute. You can download downloads. This is the data. You can copy it. Go to desktop. This is the data. Now I want to go to SMC training. From here I am storing data here. Data is there. Transaction finished. Now move to automation. Here it is a page, the file. Now you can check whether data is coming here. Just a quick note. Whenever we import a data of say like 5,000 or 10,000 data, then this is the process to do it. We don't have like any. What is the utility of it? Suppose your business is generating data. Data is a suppose in my business. Suppose someone is a receptionist there, everybody who are already in the physical food farm. We are storing this data in a system and that data is coming to you as an export as a CSV. Now you are feeding your system. You are creating an automation every day. Data will become. You will be put in the file you are transferring to the system. The moment it will be getting data it is storing, it is bringing this data to a data extension. The moment it will be getting the data extension data, then journey will that it is showing some automation. In that cycle, you are creating automated cycle and this journey will that suppose you have done. In a schedule, wise, this journey will that. It will be able. You can make a schedule. Recording schedule. You can. What will happen? Your entire mechanism is ready. Every day data is coming and you can make the automation. The file will be dropped in your folder location and from there it will be through even every week. Suppose I want to do that, a seminar in marketing club. What I am expecting? I have created and it will be automated schedule when we go to the new member. Take all data and you can send the email campaign. Got and get like in notepad you had set of details. Go to desktop, minimize it. There is a file zone and click on file zone. Click on file zone. There is a F icon, red icon. Click on it. This one. Below the cycle bin there is a file zone icon. Click on it. Now give the all three values. First is the host name, then username, then password and port. I mean, when I am working with a new client, like how do I find these details in their portal? Or like, this is the these options is getting hidden. But if you go to the setup, if you go to the site setup, then administration, there will be one option will be visible, that is a FTP location. You as a person, you can create FTP location for power license, you can get 10 FTP. You can create the entire setup. This will be generated username password. All that options is being hidden by CloudFoundation since we are not admin. That's the reason they have given this value, created for us and given the value for us. Now go to import section, click on import and click on import. Below you can create a folder. Click here in below section, not here below section, not atom. Go to import, click on import. Now below in blank section, create a new file. Create a new file. Create new folder. You can create new directory. Create directory. Go back, click on import again. Just click. Create directory and enter. Yes, and give the name as new directory. Got. Now click on it. This is your path. Now you go to our cell spots. Now go to setup. I'm showing you where is the source of. You can create the people location. It is not displayed, but let's see where is the location. No, now we have all those details in Notepad, but we are working on data management administration. Click on data management. Here it is not showing. And now here another option will display above file location, that is called FTP. That FT already created for us. Now click on file locations. Click on file locations. Now create file. Now on top create file. Click on create. You are creating a one location for any file. You will be created by Ruby. Give the name Ruby file or something like Ruby file. Now drop down location file. No need to work with the expression. Here go to option on relative location under FTP, on external FTP, on relative location under FTP. Which one again? On ministry external of FTP file. Can you go to the relative location under FTP site? This one. On which? Relative folder path. Yes, FTP site. You can keep it relative location under FTP. Now here you need to give the import. Import slash. How does your folder name? Once again import slash Ruby. That is what we saved. Input stress. Now you can go to file automation. Save it. What you have done? You have mapped with your files here that path with a location. Now it will be, you will get it in automation. Now click on cloud icon. Go to automation. Go to journey builder, not operation, journey builder, automation. It's taking a bit time. Maybe I'll create a folder and when I create new. No, it is not straight for me. Can I refresh it? It is not showing. It is not refreshing to me. Oh wait, now it's coming. Now click on it. All options are not showing to me. This showing all screen is white. Are you able to kind of create new automation? No, nothing is there. Getting slow. New automation options are there. For me, it is showing the entire above menu is showing, but then it is showing all are white. Maybe I'll just try it out. New automation. Now create new automation. New automation, you can give a schedule. First will be the file drop rate of Studio. You can do it or select import. No file name is no file name is import. And now you will find out Ruby allocation which we have created. You have created. This is the file you have. Click it. And activities. Then there will be a comment. Left side. Can you scroll down activities? Left side. Government. It is a import file. Import file. Drag, not in the left side. Choose import file. You want to create new import definition. Let new import finish. You give some name. Here now the file location. These file location can go to drop down at a drop down file location on top. File location, left side. You get the name. Ruby file. Here, this is your location of the file. Click it. Now, no need to do now. You can file them. File naming pattern. You can just get the any name. Your file name. Ruby and just you can select that a dead variable. Should I say yes, you can give the here. Just it will be get. File name will be a root import Ruby and file name will be Ruby R2024. Now click on next. Now choose that action. I can choose on kid student. Yes, that student. Map by header. You can keep it default map. I keep it default. Now click next. Now you can select add an update or override. Or you can add only multiple options of that. You are adding that. Click next. Now click save. Give a name. My option here. You can forgive me. I can turn this in back to active. We can save. Now got it. Now I can put the decision on yes. Can you go on top? Alright. You can say click on left side. I saved. Click on activity. Click on active. Click on refresh. This automation. Wait, this automation is not run on docs. I haven't set the schedule. You can go to the back of Auto. Click on schedule. Select the schedule. Leave it. We need to pass the schedule. Oh God. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.